Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Now go to your profile page by clicking on the profile picture in the left hand side of your screen. Scroll down your screen and go to one of your posts. Click on the three horizontal dots available in the post. Click on the option that says who can comment on your post. Here you'll see a list of options, but you'll have to select the one that says profiles and pages you mentioned. Then click on the done option. And that is how you can turn off comments on Facebook posts. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.